You want to learn English and speak it very fluently, but the fear of its complexity holds you back, right? So come on, let's break free from that fear and start learning this language today. Since I'm here to guide you through every step, sharing my own experience, tips, and tricks, what I applied in terms of learning this language. Friends, being a homemaker, in my opinion, being a homemaker, if I can learn this language and speak it very fluently, then you can also learn this language very easily and speak it very fluently. Even you can speak better English than me, on condition that you have to be very dedicated and devoted towards this language. You have to keep patience with yourself and you have to make conscious effort, because friends, success does not come in one day. It takes months and years. Always keep one thing in your mind. Always remember one thing, like English is not just a subject, it's a language, a tool to communicate. So come on, let's get started and conquer this language together. Friends, the first thing you need to do to learn this language, command over vocabulary and small sentences and greetings. Why I'm telling you to learn vocabulary? Because our mind is full with only Hindi vocabulary or the language what you speak at the daily basis. So we have to replace those vocabularies from Hindi to English in terms of learning this language and speak it very confidently. Friends, we are very habituated to speaking in our language and we speak automatically. There is no burden to speak. But when it comes to speaking English, we just start thinking like what is the English of this specific word. We start thinking and we get stuck, we get freeze while speaking. So that's why I'm telling you, like, replace vocabulary from Hindi to English. Learn maximum vocabulary. The vocabulary which you are surrounded with. Like if you are in the kitchen, start speaking in English. Like what word you are using in Hindi, just in place of Hindi, start speaking in English. That's how you will command over your words. You will start speaking in English without effort, without putting effort. And for so far as small sentences are concerned, like what's your name, how are you, where do you live, come here, go there, using imperative sentences. Come here, go there, sit down, okay? And so far as greeting is concerned, if you are learning this language, so you should learn etiquette regarding this language, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, thank you, hello, sorry, pardon, please, okay? So in the beginning, you have to command over all these things. You have to start incorporating in your daily routine all these things, and first, and this is the step you have to follow. This is the very basic thing you have to command and to learn this language. Because if I talk about me, in my initial stage, I really started applying all these things. Like I just created a habit of speaking in English. And friends, what did I say? Like with the passage of time, I started speaking automatically, because I was habituated to speaking kursi, okay? I never spoke chair, but when I thought like I have to learn this language, so I started speaking chair. But initially I got difficulty in speaking. Like I thought, oh my god, whether I speak or not. But you know what, when I created a habit of speaking, when I incorporated a habit of speaking, I automatically started speaking with the passage of time. So in your case also, if you create this habit of speaking, so definitely within couple of days you will be habituated, you will be accustomed to this habit, and you will start speaking automatically. So that's why I'm telling you, just command over vocabulary, small sentences, and greeting. And friends, the second thing, incorporate the habit of listening and reading in your daily routine. Why I'm telling you? Because when you are listening something, you will get accustomed to the language. Like you will start understanding the pronunciation of the language, pitch and tone of the language, okay? And you will speak that language naturally. That's why listening impacts a lot in terms of learning this language. And so far as reading is concerned, when you are reading something, you will get multiple vocabulary from there. You will get like sentence formation, okay? thoughts and ideas to speak this language. So that's why, you know what, in my beginning stage, I really committed to a daily practice. In the evening, every evening, I would read a story and listen an audio story, regardless of whether I understood it or not, because I knew that consistent exposure would eventually lead to success. And that's why I just continued this habit, I continued this routine. So in your case also, just inculcate the habit of listening and reading on the daily basis. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Okay, I'm confident, like if you stick to this daily routine, definitely you will see progress, you will start speaking. That's I'm telling you, like keep listening and reading even it feels forced at first. Okay, and you know very well that no pain no gain. So in terms of learning this language, to achieve success we have to make effort, we have to, right, like keep patience with ourselves, and we have to be very dedicated and devoted towards this language. Everyone who learn this language and speak it, they have also made conscious effort. So, the way I'm talking before you, it's not one day result. I have also made conscious effort, I have also practiced a lot, because friends, it's a language you know very well, like, and for speaking a language, we people need to speak a lot. As much as you can speak, you have to speak, because the more you speak, the more fluency you will get, the more confidence you will get, the more you will be more comfortable towards this language. I mean, you will speak very naturally when you are going to talk to someone. So there is no magic to speak this language. Actually, it's a process. Okay, it's a process. It happens like in the beginning stage, you are a beginner. Okay, so you will make mistake. It's a process. You are a beginner, so you will make mistake, you will improve mistake. Okay, you will learn from your mistake, and day by day, percentage by percentage, you will see improvement in your speaking skill. Okay, initially you will make mistake, you will hesitant, you will get freeze, struck, but gradually you will see improvement, and eventually you will see, like, yes, I'm confident, I'm a confident speaker, I'm speaking this language very soon, I'm speaking this language very confidently, very fluently. The third step, you have to learn at least basic grammar. Basic grammar means like present, past and future, because whenever we meet someone, we start talking about like our daily routine, our past incident and future planning, and all that. So that's why the knowledge of present and past and future is very compulsory. Why? Because I have personally experienced, like when I did not know about like present, past and future, I got difficulty in speaking. But the day I learned and started speaking, I saw changes. Yes, I'm confident, I'm speaking this language very easily. So in your case also, just learn some basic grammars like present, past and future, and you will see mind-blowing result. मेरे कहने पे मत जाइए, you will see result yourself. And friends, finally, just keep motivating yourself, like I can, I will, because when we don't see result, we get demotivated. Okay, we just want to give up. So that's why I'm telling you, just keep motivating, like I can, I will. If you are making effort, if you are devoted and dedicated towards this language, and if you are if you have patience, so definitely you will see result. Okay, nothing happens in one day, but everything happens. Nothing happens in one day, but everything happens one day. So never let your fear hold you back. Always let your passion move you forward. Okay, don't get afraid of making mistakes. Instead, make them, learn from them and improve them, and you will see mind-blowing result. One day you would be also speaking in this language very easily and confidently and perfectly. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.